So gonna start something different because reasons, but that main reason is I've run out of argon to do the welding, so I need to get that replaced before I can finish the wing light bulb thing off. So gonna start on a trammel, and because I'm vain, I'm going to put my initials in the sliding measurement part of the trammel. So I'm just going to mark that up now and all the rest of it. So because I thought the camera was recording earlier and it's not, what I've done is where this piece of tape meets the other bits, and same down here, they're mirrored. That is the bottom of where I want my letters to be, and they've also struck a line down the centre previously that I'm not quite sure the camera can make out. It's here. Awesome. It's the all hand filing all of the time channel at the minute. However, if you do like seeing people work their tool in and out of slots, then maybe you'd want to watch the infill block plane that I did, because there's loads of hand filing on that and it came out pretty well. I'll leave a card, I don't know, like somewhere on the screen. So I tried to cut this out with a jeweler's file, and jeweler's saw, and broke loads of these unbelievably thin blades. So I called that a day, and then I just dremeled out a slot big enough to start in there with the files, and luckily I was able to work up with needle files and then up to a proper sort of size file relatively quickly. And now it's just filing to the lines, so much like when you coloured in pictures as a kid, you just colour into the lines, but we're removing material to the lines. Yeah boy. Slowly getting there, just lots of hand filing. So just using a triangular file here to get right into these corners. Probably should have used a slightly better font type, but oh well. It is taking quite a bit of time to get this letter done. Well, nearly done. Just a little bit more work now. And we'll be there. So yeah. Oh, shock. We're back to a bit of hand filing. What a treat. What a treat. Hopefully we can get the big boy in there soon enough though. Nope. Ah, finally, those two are done. That's the majority of the work done on that bit. That took forever. Sweet, that one's done. Cool, so what I'm going to do now, I've made some witness marks. I'm just going to glue them together, and that means when we drill them, that they'll locate where I want them to. And I don't have to worry about lining them up and doing all the rest of it, it'll just happen. Give that a minute. So unfortunately I've got a away mission with work, so I've got to go away for a couple of weeks. I was hoping to get this video done in one go, however that's not the case. Please like and subscribe and comment to be in with a chance of winning a few free stickers. Thanks very much. Layla's taters.